Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to enable notification timing for 10 seconds on Facebook Web using your PC. This is part of Facebook's latest update, and it's a useful feature if you want your on-screen notifications to stay visible a bit longer. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This section gives you control over how Facebook looks and behaves on your screen. Next, go into Accessibility Settings. This is where you can customize features that improve your overall experience, especially when it comes to visibility and timing. Inside Accessibility Settings, click on Display. Here, you'll find options related to how content appears, including notification timing. Now, look for the Notifications Timing option. Click on it and you'll see different time choices available. Select 10 seconds so your notifications stay on the screen longer, giving you enough time to read them without rushing. After selecting 10 seconds, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes. And that's it. From now on, your Facebook notifications will remain visible for 10 seconds, making it easier to catch important updates without missing anything. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your apps.